thank you so much for clicking on this video, and this is literally going to be the beginning of us. 2019, guys, we're going to do it. For anyone who is desperate to get their positive pregnancy test, this is going to be the year for you guys. So I just wanted to come on here and update you. So basically, my body was super weird this month, and AF actually got me 4 days earlier than I expected. And it was really strange because I had egg white cervical mucus, but it was like 4 days after I'd ovulated, which is really strange, which is what made me think, like, why maybe I've already ovulated. Anyway, whatever. So totally missed this month, but we did happen to do the deed on the day I ovulated, just by complete coincidence. So, and I still didn't get pregnant, guys. And this is the issue that we've had, because I didn't know I was ovulating. We did the deed on the day I ovulated by complete accident, and we still didn't get pregnant. And I don't know what it is, if it's my body, if it's like my funny blood that I've got. I don't know, but it seems really strange how we timed it so well, and it's not like even the stress would have been contributing to me not getting pregnant. But anyways, we've just been out for a Chinese, and it was so good. It was an all you can eat, and literally I've got such a food baby now. I'm bloated, I'm perioding, and it's like, ugh. But I just wanted to have a little chat to you guys about something. So I was wondering if taking the antibiotics that I did has stopped me getting pregnant this month. And I'd really love to hear your guys' opinions, because I happen to be taking antibiotics during like my ovulation and 2-week wait and all that. So I don't know if that's got any contributing factors, but it may do. And I really want to hear your guys' opinions down below, because obviously when you Google this stuff, there's so much mixed information online, it's really difficult to know which is real and which is true. So yeah, I hope you don't mind this really relaxed, like no makeup, greasy hair vlog today. But I've just got to the end of the day and I'm absolutely exhausted. Me and Abby went out last night. It was so good. He popped champagne. It's this guy called James Hype. He's got like 20,000 Instagram followers. He popped the lid of the champagne and squirted it everywhere. I don't know if you can hear on the video. I'm like, it's in my eye, it's in my eye. It was so funny. But yeah, we had an amazing night. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to me for free to follow this journey. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies.